Hello students, in today's video you are going to learn a very important and very interesting topic, that is how we can draw trigonometric ratios table for some specific angles. If you will understand these few steps that I will tell you, you can draw this table within seconds, and this will be useful for your 10th standard also and for a future also. So let's get started. First I will explain these few steps and then we will make this final table. Okay, first we will write angles here like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So what we will do in first step, first we will write 0 to 4 numbers under these angles: 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And after writing 0 to 4 numbers, we will divide these numbers by 4. So we will write 4 in the denominator. After writing 4, we will put a root on these numbers. We will put a root on these numbers. So it will be like this. So after putting root, we will solve these. We will write in the simple form. So this will become, or you can say root 0. This will remain same. This will be 1 upon 2. This will remain same, and this will root 1. So after this step, we will solve the root. So root 0 is 0. 1 upon 4 root is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 root is 1 upon root 2. 3 upon 4 root is root 3 upon 2, and root 1 will be 1. So these are the values for the trigonometric ratio sine. So now we will draw the final table. We will put these values under this column. So 0 degree, sine 0 degree was 0 degree. Value of this is 0. 30 degree 1 upon 2. 45 1 upon root 2. 60 degree root 3 upon 2, and 90 degree 1. We have taken values from this. So these are the values for the sine. Now with the help of these, we will find the other values also for the other trigonometric ratios also. So the tip is there that the value under this 45 degree, this value will remain same. So for cos also it will be 1 upon root 2, and these other values will be changed, like the 1 in the last, it will come in the beginning in the first column here. Then root 3 upon 2 in the 60 degree, so it will come under 30 degree. So root 3 upon 2 under 30 degree. So cos 30 degrees root of 3 upon 2. Then this value will come here. So 1 upon 2 will be in this column cos 60. So 1 upon 2. And this 0 degree will come under this 90 degree column. So 0. So values of this cos is 0 degree 1, 30 degree root 3 upon 2, 45 degree. This is same for both sine and cos. 60 degree, and this is 90 degree. Now how we can find out for the tangent. So as you know that tangent is sine upon cos. So sine upon cos, so we will divide this column to this column. So when we will do 0 upon 1, it will be 0. We will divide 1 upon 2 to root 3 upon 2. So we can write it like that: 1 upon 2 multiply by 2 upon root 3. So when we will divide the fractional numbers, it will go reciprocal. So the value is 1 upon root 3. So this is when we divide these numbers, we are getting 1 upon root 3. Next, when we will divide the same value, we are getting 1. When we will divide root 3 upon 2 to 1 upon 2, so it will be root 3. 1 upon 0 is not defined. Not defined. So 3 trigonometric ratios we got till now: sine, cos and tangent. As you know that reciprocal of sine is cosec, then cos and secant both are reciprocal to each other, then tangent and cot. So we can write these values also with the help of these. So we will write down 1 upon 0, it will be again not defined. Then 1 upon 2, so reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2. 1 upon root 2, reciprocal of this is root 2. Root 3 upon 2, reciprocal of it is 2 upon root 3. And here is 1, reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now we will find for this section secant. So first we need to follow these steps, then it will be easy. Within seconds we can draw this table. That is very useful in trigonometry also, and in the other subjects also, physics and all. Students, in the first part of this video you learned very interesting concept, and that how you can draw the trigonometric ratios table of specific angles within seconds. One another trick is there. So now in this section I am going to discuss with you. So with the help of this trick you can find out the exact trigonometric values. This trick is called hand trick, or sometime it is called the palm trick also. So for this trick we will draw a hand here and we will write down the values of angles on the fingers. So this is little finger. So on the little finger we will write down 0 degree. On the ring finger we will write down 30 degree. On the middle finger we will write 45 degree. On the index finger we will write 60 degree, and on the thumb we will write 90 degree. To find out the value of sine theta, formula is root fingers below upon 2. So this is the formula to find out the values of sine, trigonometric ratio sine. So two examples I will take. First, if you want to find sine 30 degree. So sine 30, we will see how many fingers below of sine 30. So this is sine 30, below one finger is there. So we will put 1 under the root and upon 2. So root 1 is 1. So 1 upon 2 is the value of sine 30. Another example, if I will take sine 90. So sine 90, again we will see below these sine 90. So these 4 fingers are below 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write down 4 under root and then 2. So it will be 2 upon 2 and it will be 1. So sine 90 value is 1. Now to find out the trigonometric ratio cos, what is the formula for that? For this we will do fingers above. Fingers above upon 2. We did fingers below in the case of sine, and for the cos we will take fingers above upon 2. So again I am going to take cos 30 degree. So first we will write that angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, then 60 degree and 90 degree. So cos 30 degree, we have to see the fingers above of these value. So this is cos 30. Above these 3 values are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers are above. So we will write down root 3 upon 2. So this is the value of cos 30. And cos 90 degree. If I will take cos 90, then this is the cos 90. So above of 90 degree, no finger is there. So we will write down here 0 upon 2. So it will be 0 upon 2. So 0 upon 2 will be 0. So cos 90 is 0. Now if we will find out the value of trigonometric ratio, that is tangent. For tangent, what we will do, we will write here fingers above upon fingers below. Very easy. Fingers above, root of that upon fingers below, and root of these values. First we will write down the angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So be careful that on the thumb 90 degree angle will come. Now in the tangent the hand is flipped now. Okay, so 90 degree is there, 0 degree is there. If I want to check the value for tangent 30 degree, so tangent 30 degree, I will check. This is tangent 30 degree angle is there. So fingers above, root of that, and fingers below, root of that. Fingers above, how many fingers are there? Only one finger is there, so I will write 1 here. And fingers below 30 degree, how many fingers are there? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 fingers are there, I will write down 3 here. So it will be 1 upon root 3. One another example of tangent, if I want to find out the value of 60 degree for tangent, 60 degree angle, then fingers above upon fingers below, root of that. So fingers above to 60 degree, how many fingers? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So I will write down here 3. And fingers below to 60 degree, only one finger is there, so I will write down 1 here. So value of this is root 3 upon 1, or you can write down simply root 3. So these two important methods that I told you in this video that we have already discussed, these are very important methods to solve. To draw a table, you can find out the values easily, and you can use these values in the sum very quickly. It will save your time. If you like this video, please write down in the comment section and give a thumbs up. Thank you.